Hello, it's your favorite gardening family and DIY guy. I am Will, and I'm in the poultry barn right now. I just walked in. I came in with my basket, coming to collect my eggs, because they owe me those eggs. And actually built them this new, awesome, super duper, high techie layer box. So when I was coming in, I was thinking that, oh, my chickens are going to be laying all over this super hyper duper high techie, actually very high techie layer box. So I'm coming in to collect my eggs in this super hyper duper high techie layer box. And I come in, and the disappointment, these lazy chickens have been laying all over the place. Look, I am going to have a very, very long conversation with these birds because they cannot be giving me work like that. You can't let me build this super hyper duper high techie layer box and then you just be laying all over the place. Why would I do that? Why would I spend so much time building this super duper hyper high techie layer box and then you just lay all over the place? This is not on. I mean, I am absolutely flying off the handle right now. So I'm going to show you the mess they've created for me. They basically want me to work. It's just insane. You don't let your favorite gardening, farming and DIY guy do all of the work. Like, seriously? So let me show you the mess they did. It's incredible. So ladies and gentlemen, this is your super duper hyper high techie layer box. And why is this super duper hyper high techie layer box? Ta-da! You can literally just open the lid and then go around collecting your eggs. Like this. And what do these birds do? Wow, look at what they've done. This is what they've done. This is the box. This is what they've done. And it doesn't stop here. I mean, look around. Look at the mess. Look. It's just everywhere. Eggs everywhere. This is just eggs everywhere. Look. And they're kicking it around like football. Look, they're kicking it around like football. Just eggs everywhere. Why would you let me build a super duper hyper high techie layer box and then just lay all over the floor? Why would you let me do that? Well, Summer, why would you let me do that? Yeah, walk away in shame. Walk away in shame. Shame on you all. Now you've given me work. All right, ladies, I'm talking to you. So what we have here, what we have here, this is what I collected all over the barn. This was not in the layer box. So why is it that you ladies, I am talking to you, why are you walking away? Stay here. Why are you walking away? Yes, you, what? So let's have a proper conversation here. This cannot go on. I will not come in tomorrow morning and have you laying all over the place. You can't give me that work. Okay? Let today be your last day. I don't want to come in tomorrow and find eggs all over the place. Do we have a deal? Otherwise, you're going to end up in some soup. And these are the ones who were nice enough to lay in the layer box. And if you were wondering, this is the Well Summers egg. It's a bit darker than the rest of it. So this is the Well Summers. These are the other ones. And this is actually the white leghorn. I only have one left. And this is its egg. The white leghorns, they always lay white egg. Very ingenious name. And this is the well summer. It's a very dark brown egg. And the other ones is just a variety of everything. All the colors you can have. So these ones were nice enough to not give me too much work. I think I may need a bigger basket. Looks like I definitely need a bigger basket. This is just too much for this basket. The reason why we have a small basket is because we've had laying issues. Ladies? We've had laying issues, isn't it? Yeah, so we've had laying issues, but now it looks like they are picking up. They're at about 60% now. I may need to go and buy a bigger basket. All right, guys, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Obviously, you know, it was all fun and games. I wasn't really angry. But thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do. Also like, share, comment, hit the notification button, and tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend that they need to subscribe to my channel as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to bring you more. The next video I'm going to bring you, hopefully, if I stay true to my word, is how I build the new layer box for the layers. But if something comes in between, I was actually hoping to do a video of the new kits. Yesterday we had 4 new kits in a goat shed. I wanted to bring you that, but I think I may bring that tomorrow or the day after, before I bring the layer box. But whatever the case is, you're going to have a new video, a couple of new videos coming up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do continue to share, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button. I'm saying it for the second time because it's very, very important to me. I'm at 3K and I'm aiming for 5K. Please do subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. Subscribe to the channel. Help me grow this channel. Thank you for watching this. Until then, it's your favorite gardening, farming, DIY guy. I am Will, and I am out.